The Zoom APH-1n, the accessory pack for the Zoom H1n handy recorder. It includes a micro USB cable to use the H1n as a USB audio interface or card reader. It also includes the Zoom AD17 USB AC power adapter. Its rated output is 5 volts 1 amp. The package also includes a foam windscreen. The windscreen can be used to reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. The MA2 tripod to mic stand adapter with a standard 1/4" 20 tripod threading. It can be used with your H1n to reduce handling noise, and it mounts to a standard sized mic clip. The package also includes an adjustable tripod stand. Lastly, a padded shell case with a wrist strap.